Joanna and the Mr. Schlosser Show.
So today, my daughter Joanna and I are going to be making nutritious chocolate chip cookies. This was a recipe that my mom taught me when I was a kid, and so we're going to learn about measurement, and we're going to learn how to make some yummy cookies too. So, to start off with, we need to gather all of our ingredients. To make nutritious chocolate chip cookies, we first need a half cup of butter. We need 2 cups of peanut butter, a cup and a half of sugar, a cup and a half of brown sugar, 4 large eggs. What do you think of those eggs, Joanna? They look good?
Yep.
Yep. And a teaspoon of vanilla, 6 cups of oats, 2½ teaspoons of baking soda, and a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm going to post the recipe as well as the directions. Okay, so Joanna, first what we're going to do, before we do any cooking, we have to wash our hands. So let's go wash our hands. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, our hands are all clean. So the first thing on our recipe, Joanna, is we need a half cup of butter or margarine. So here we have the butter, and we're going to get out a half cup. Now, a half cup is this size of a measuring cup. You know it's half cup because on the back it says 1/2 cup. And on butter, the way butter is set up, it tells you how much is in that stick of butter. And so these little lines talk about the lines on the top, those are teaspoons. And then the whole stick of butter itself is a half cup. So these lines down the bottom, those are tablespoons. So if you ever have a recipe that says you need 3 tablespoons, you would count 1, 2, 3, and you would actually cut the butter right there. For our recipe, we need a whole stick of butter because a whole stick of butter is equal to 1/2 cup. And so if the butter was melted, it would fit inside here. Can you believe that, Joanne? It would actually fit inside there. Okay, so Joanna, first we're going to put the butter in our mixing bowl. So go ahead and take the paper off. So Joanna's taking the paper off. Can you show me? You're taking the paper off from the mixing bowl. Very good. And get that paper all the way off there. You got all the paper off there?
No, not quite yet.
All right. Good job.
Very greasy.
It's very greasy. Okay, and then you would stick it right in the bowl there. And you can see the butter's right there in the bowl. Next in our ingredient list is 2 cups of peanut butter. You can use creamy peanut butter or chunky peanut butter. I like the chunky peanut butter better because I like the peanuts in my cookies. So we're going to get our peanut butter, and we're going to get 2 cups of peanut butter. Okay, so Joanna, what we have here, this is a 1 cup measuring cup. See, that's a 1 cup right there. And we're going to fill this up. How many times do we have to fill this up for 2 cups?
2 times.
2 times. All right, so we can take the spatula, and can you get the peanut butter into that cup? This part is pretty hard. The peanut butter doesn't want to come out. And you put it on there. Very good.
We can put it in here.
So, yep. So we have our first cup, and we're dumping that into the bowl. Okay. Yeah, it's hard. Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead and do that together. Yeah.
Yeah. We got right on the butter.
Ooh, stay on there. Okay. All right. So now we need another cup of peanut butter. Okay. So let's start doing the second cup of peanut butter. Whoa. With the second cup in there. Hey. Get in there. Get in there. This is a lot of peanut butter.
What?
This is a lot of peanut butter, isn't it? These cookies are going to be really yummy.
There's going to be a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah, and it's really sticky. Whoop. All right. Okay, how are we doing? All right, so
Okay.
there's some extra peanut butter we'll put back in the jar. All right, that's good. Okay, Joanna, let's go ahead and get that into the bowl there. There, I'll let you guys see what that looks like so far. Joanna's really concentrating. Okay, good job, good job. All right.
What are you doing next?
Well, Joanna, next, the recipe says beat the butter and peanut butter at medium speed with an electric mixer until fluffy. Okay, so we'll do that. So you guys want to watch this? So we're gonna lift up the bowl. Can you turn that up there for Jan? Lift it up. Push, 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 click. All right, very good. And then if you can reach around, you see this knob right there? Pull that. Whoa. So it's mixing. This is a slow speed. Let's go to medium speed. So go ahead and go kind of in the middle. Yeah, it's still doing pretty good. Go ahead, go a little bit higher. Okay.
Get that fast.
Does it smell good?
Yep.
I wish you guys could smell this. It smells wonderful. Okay. Does it look fluffy to you?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, turn it off. Good job.
What do we do next?
Well, next we need 1.5 cups of regular sugar and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. So, Joanna, while we're cooking, you're hearing us talk about cups. And what a cup is, it's this size, okay? And so that's 1 cup that we would use to measure 1 cup. A half a cup means exactly half of 1 cup. So it takes 2 of these cups to make 1 cup. We have some smaller ones too. This is 1/4 of a cup and 1/3 of a cup. What 1/4 of a cup means, it takes 4 of these cups to make 1 cup. And 1/3 cup means it takes 3 of these cups to make 1 cup. So what we're going to do, it asks for 1.5 cups of sugar. So we could do that in one of 2 ways. We could either do a whole cup and a half a cup, or we could actually do 3 half cups. All right, let's stop there.
Yep.
All right, this container has sugar in it, and what we're going to do, that was loud, take the half cup and put it in there. and fill it up all the way. Get it all the way. Yeah, get it in there. Oh, there we go. Goes all the way to the top, and then pour it in there. How many is that? One. And we need how many? Three. Okay, so this is number 2. That part's a little bit hard. Do you need to help you with that? Here, let me see if I can help you a little. All right. And what's that? 2. Okay, and what's this one? 3. Good job. All right. Go ahead and turn on the mixer there.
To a medium.
Yep. Go ahead. Go to medium.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Next, we're going to add the brown sugar. Okay, Joanna. Next, we're going to do brown sugar. Look what we have. We have this measuring cup inside our brown sugar, and this one says 1/4 cup. We need 1.5 cups of brown sugar. So I wonder how many scoops of brown sugar we need. Here, let's see. So we know that 4 of these cups equal 1 of these. So 4 cups equal 1 cup. 4 1/4 cups equal 1 cup. And then we need another 1/2 cup. If we take 2 1/4 cups measurements, that will equal 1/2. So altogether, if we do 6 1/4 cups, that will equal 1.5 cups. So we're going to do 6 of these, okay? So go ahead and scoop in there. And we'll do how many?
1.
Yep, we're doing 6 altogether. Here, let me flatten that out a little bit. Okay. 2. Get a little bit more in there. Yeah, that's good. 3. Oh, needs a little bit more. That's okay. We're up to the last one. This is number 6. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there, and go ahead and turn on the mixer again.
Smells super good.
It smells super good, doesn't it? Okay. So you can go ahead and turn it off. And what do you think comes next? We're going to do the eggs next. So we're going to do 4 large eggs. So here are eggs. And what we're going to do is we're going to break these into another bowl first so we don't get any shells into our mixing bowl.